Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off Protect from malicious sites Opera browser. So how to turn off Protect from malicious sites Opera browser? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the settings menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the privacy security menu. Now here you are in the privacy security menu. And then tap the security menu. And it will appear like this. Next, tap Protect from Malicious. This feature allows users to turn off protection from malicious sites in Opera browser on a computer to access sites without security restrictions. So that's it, the tutorial how to turn off Protect from malicious sites Opera browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.